I'm gonna play this song I wrote. I'm gonna try to do it fast because TikTok won't get it as long as it will record it. Called Train Whistling the Whiskey. I saw your car passing by. Something strange is happening. So I dial your number on that phone, but I feel like I'm in back of your mind. If I pull that trigger, well, them black crows fly. There's a train coming this morning. Are you still my Dixie with whiskey on my breath? Carver name back into this willow, four-wheel drive, the Mossberg on that stone. It's so crazy I can't go away from the train with some whiskey. Sunrise so pretty, and the moonshine on that rail. Smoke from that whistle, put that rose in your hair. And in my mirror, go ahead and lay your silver down. So much is beautiful to the whiskey. There's the train, whistle blowing. 100 blackbirds appears in that wind. In this house, looking out that window, drink a beer, blue jay stares at me, 'cause I can't dance to the radio and that whiskey.